Pavement to do all the road work and for us to drive around on. This is what the weather looks like in the central Chattanooga area with the Mission Ridge camera. Let's check out the forecast with meteorologist Cedric Haynes. What's up, my friend?
Well, how's it going, Calvin? We are definitely starting off the week on a nice note out there overall. And of course, if you were up late last night, like many folks were, probably checking out the big lunar eclipse across the area, well, you're probably trying to say, man, it's time for a little bit of a break here. But as you can look outside, you'll be able to see here, this is a photo sent in from Brad Minton here, and this is showing us just during the eclipse here, of course, the regular moon, and then you've got what kind of happens when you start to get in on that partial eclipse that takes place out there. Right now, we've got a mix of sun and clouds across the area. Overall, it's a nice day, 78 degrees outside. Dew points are actually dropping because we have a front moving through the area, and that front is ushering in some slightly drier air as well. 68 degrees in Altamont, 77 in Dayton and Cleveland, 79 degrees in Dalton, 78 Chattanooga, Fort Payne, 74 in Blue Ridge, 79 in Athens, and 76 degrees currently in Murphy. Here's the current setup. We've got a cold front that's again making its way through the area as we speak, bringing with it a narrow band of cloud cover as it streaks on through. But these clouds are nothing that's going to completely block out the sun, but you will notice again partly cloudy skies out there throughout the afternoon. Now, as this front continues to slowly work its way towards the south and east for our areas south and east of I-75 primarily, we could see an isolated shower, maybe a rumble of thunder develop late this afternoon. Not expecting a ton of rainfall, but there is about a 20% chance of that. But most of the action is going to be well off to our south and east as high pressure begins to take over, ushering in some slightly drier air across the area. In fact, as we look at the water vapor, we can kind of take a look at the moisture content in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and you can see areas shaded kind of in brown and tannish area here. That's some dry air that's working its way in behind the front. So you can see where we still have a little bit of moisture left over here in the Tennessee Valley. Again, enough to maybe spark off an isolated shower or storm or two across the area, but the dry air is continuing to usher its way on in from the north and west. So we will continue to dry things out as we progress throughout this afternoon. So here's your hour by hour look at that forecast here. Temperatures near 80. Again, a very slight chance of a pop-up shower or rumble as we go into the afternoon hours. But notice temperatures will stay on the warm side into the low to mid 80s out there. I think we top out around 83 to 85 degrees across most of the Tennessee Valley. And then notice as we go into the evening hours, we'll clear skies out and the temperatures actually start to drop off. And so as we go throughout your next couple of days, one thing you're going to notice going from today even into tomorrow is notice the humidity levels really drop off there. So behind this front, we're going to see that surge of dry, more refreshing air trying to build into the area. So feel free to open the windows, shut off the AC, and get ready for that free AC. Give your air conditioning a little bit of a break there because the humidity does start to ramp back up by the end of the week, and that humidity will be coming along with some warmer temperatures as well. So we're going to be looking at temperatures climbing from the low to mid 80s today into the mid 80s for your Tuesday, and look at this, by the end of the week we're into the low to mid 90s across the area. And remember, the humidity will be going up as well. So we're going to have heat, we're going to have humidity going in as well, and then we're going to notice those temperatures cooling off across the area here. So we're looking at temperatures here near record highs, but I think we're going to stay just shy of that here. Temperatures near 96 degrees for your record high going on there. So here's your Storm Alert 7-day forecast. A pop-up shower possible, otherwise staying warm and humid through the end of the week, and then rain chances coming in as we go throughout your weekend as well. Calvin.
Okay, thank you, Cedric.